TerraFlex Dana 3044 HD ball joint kit without the knurl is a great option for 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT owners looking to reinforce their front end's axle durability and performance. Whether you frequently take your Jeep off-road or you want to eliminate some steering play and wear from those factory ball joints, this kit provides the strength and longevity needed to handle extreme conditions and everyday driving. This heavy-duty ball joint kit is designed specifically for the Gladiator front axles, offering superior strength compared to stock components. The set includes 2 upper and 2 lower ball joints engineered to eliminate the weak points commonly found in those factory setups. The system ensures smooth operation over time, reducing the risk of premature wear and minimizing steering issues like that death wobble. These ball joints maintain structural integrity even under the most demanding off-road conditions and the stress of those bigger tire setups. Unlike factory ball joints that wear down quickly, these are designed to extend the service life and have superior load-bearing capabilities. Another key benefit is that this kit does not feature knurled surfaces, which is ideal for a precise, interference-free fit in the axle housing. This means less risk of damage, preserving the overall strength of your front-end suspension. TerraFlex builds these ball joints using fully greasable metal bearings that reduce heat buildup and friction, extending their lifespan significantly. The hardened steel bodies provide maximum durability, while the heat-treated ball studs ensure exceptional strength and resilience against those heavy loads and aggressive driving. Each ball joint is coated with this corrosion-resistant plating, further enhancing its longevity in harsh environments. Another nice construction feature to add is the fact that they have dual greasing points, so it's easier access no matter how you get to it underneath the car. As far as pricing goes on this ball joint set, they're going to come in for about that mid $300 price range for the set of all 4, which is a pretty solid price point for upgraded performance ball joints that are going to be built to last. Installing these ball joints is rated right at the middle of the road at 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. The process just involves removing the old ball joints and pressing these new ones into place. And make sure you properly grease them for the smooth function. Expect this install to take you about 2 hours of your time, depending on your experience level. Alright, that's going to wrap up my review of the TerraFlex Dana 3044 HD ball joint kit without the knurl for the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JTs. And for all things Gladiator, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.